You people, I thought this would take tomorrow. I never thought that we are going to hit the TV so fast. I thought this is going to be taking up to tomorrow. And this is crazy because we are already hitting 90 and I'm going to be closing my trend right now. And you can see, oh my goodness, I wish maybe I could not close, but I had to close that one. No regrets. No regret for this. No regret for that. But you see, I told you to just hold at least half of the trend because you're going to break our zone here. This was to break this one. I actually told you that this is going to be breaking this. Musa K, you're here. Can you see what has really happened? I thought this is going to be happening tomorrow, but just look at what has actually happened. Yeah. I thought this breakout is going to be happening by tomorrow, but hey, just look at this. Yes, Musa K, were you holding position up to this point? Because you were saying this market is actually going to break this, and you see how it has actually done quite amazing here. So I am having a position here, and I've made quite a good amount of money, which I'm now be closing. I had set my TP at 90, but I'm going to be closing 80 something here. That is going to be my exit, and yeah, that is going to be my exit now. Actually, I was not even on the gold. I think some people have just reminded me on WhatsApp that gold is eating the prices. And I was really shocked. Wow, what? The gold is breaking the zones. Yeah. Very good. So you are holding, yeah? So I think now we are almost now hitting the TP. And I think this is going to be our exit position because the market might be reversing again to 55. So if you are owning those positions, I think existing between 82, 81 here, that will be good, of which that is what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to get this $1,200 here. And that has been so amazing from morning. We analyzed this together, and I think that is what we can actually see right here. So that was amazing. So what do you say? I'm actually expecting to get this. I was expecting to get this to tomorrow, but hey, man, just look at how gold can have a lot of surprises. That's why I'm going to be closing my trains here, and yeah, I've closed mine. So I don't know what about yours because now we are going to be focusing on something else tomorrow now. Yeah. You are holding. I think we are existing at 81 there, 80s. That is what we are going to be doing there. Musa, okay. Elion, this is so great. I'm new here. Welcome on board. I wish maybe you were here in the morning because we were doing something very great. We closed the first position after eating TP1. We said this market is going to break our zone here. It's already broken that. Yeah. Oh yeah, Musa K, that you can close. Actually, it's ending midnight. Actually, here is 5:30 p.m. Here is 5:30 p.m. So you can close your positions and probably you can sleep now. Yeah, you can sleep now. Well, just knowing that you closed your position well, and then I will see you again tomorrow. I'll see you again tomorrow, 10 a.m. East African time. Yeah, you see, that is great. That was so good. That was so good. I just brought this to give you an update of what was really happening, and that is amazing. That was great. That was amazing. For those who are holding this position, for those who just followed my instruction to just hold a little bit until we enter to the TP and above there, that was so amazing for you. I'm really proud of you. Yeah. You see, you don't really regret by closing the positions here because I know we could have doubled this amount of money. The $1,200 that you have closed right now, we could have actually doubled it like 24. It'd be 24. But it's always going to close early and focus on other things. Yeah, you see now the God how is still doing. Tomorrow we'll be looking for another signal that is going to be great as well and see how this market is going to be doing. and that will be so great. So tomorrow again we make money, but if you made money today, I'm really proud of you, right? I'm not asking you for a penny. I'm not asking anyone for money. This is a free signal. This is a free things that you can actually get here on Dantech Forex. Okay. So I was almost going to out and just decided, hey, I've seen this gold, and so many people are really, I'm really surprised of now gold has done that, because some people have just reminded me, hey, hebu amka uone hii kitu hivi yenye inafanya. Yeah, that is great. That is good. I'm really glad that so many people are watching this, and you are following to see how things are going to be unfolding. Yeah, so let me see you again tomorrow now. Let me see you again tomorrow, because now we have closed to today. All the trains that we opened today, we have closed on profit, right? We are closing all the trains. Make sure that you close all the trains that you opened today. Because we came all the way to 22 and now we are talking about 82. Those are so many pips. So many people talk about like gold moving that 83 all the way to 85, and that is a signal. For us, we are talking about pips, so many of them. Just imagine from 32.22 all the way to 32.80, 82. That's big, man. That's a very long distance out there, and that is big. Even if you end a small account, I know that you could have made some good amount of money. I'll see you again tomorrow 10 a.m. East African